Hey friends, have you ever wondered how a fan regulator controls the speed of a fan? Welcome back to Kodex Academy. Today, we will create a realistic fan speed controller using a regulator with different settings. As you turn the regulator, the fan will spin faster at each level, just like a real ceiling fan. So, are you excited to build this awesome interactive project? So let's jump into Scratch and start coding. So this is our Scratch screen, and now I want to add some sprites where I have different positions of the fan wings. So what I'm going to do, I'll just delete this cat sprite, and here I'm going to upload my sprite. So I just click on upload sprite. If you want the same sprite, you can get in the description. So these are my sprites. I'm going to download it. First I click on the fan 1 and open. Here is my fan 1. Go to costume, and here I will add other costumes as well. Okay, great. You can see all the fan costume are here. What is the difference between that? There's a difference in the wing position, right? You can see in all images. And when we are going to change the image, very frequently it's look like it's rotating, right? Now go back to code. And here we'll add more sprites like switch on, switch off. If you want to create by your own, you can create it. Or if you want to download the same sprite which I am using, you can get the link in the description. So first I'm going to upload all the sprites over here. Like this is switch off. Okay. Switch on. Great. So we'll put it over here. The fan size, I feel it's quite big. I'll make it 80. Great. This much is fine. If you need any background, you can put it over here. You can select any background as per your choice. Okay, I will take this room. This is fine. And here the switch over here. Right now I need regulator. So I'll upload the regulator. Regulator 1. Here the regulator have 4 images. First it point out speed 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. Okay. So I'll go to its costume and upload rest of the costume over here. It's very simple to design. You can design by yourself. If you want to change the shape and color, you can do it. Go to upload costume. I'm going to upload. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. And the wire. Here's the plug. Right? Great. I think I need to flip it. So we'll go to the costume. Select this and try to flip it. Great. Okay. I will make it like this. And one more thing I need to add, that is the plug on which we'll set all these things. One more thing I need to load over here, that is the board on which these switches and plug will put on. Go to upload sprite, and here switchboard, and we'll put switchboard over here, and we'll make it go to backside. Yes, great. And you can see how smoothly they fixed on the perfect position. Here is our regulator. And here the wire which connected with the fan, and it's also connected with the board, right? Our screen is ready. Now we'll start to make our fan run and control by a regulator, right? I'm going to regulator, and here before we start coding, here in costume I will give these all regulator name by number, like 1, this one 2, this one 3, and this one 4. Now go back to code. And here, first we'll go to switch on. Here I'm going to create one broadcast when the sprite click. It means when we click on switch on, the fan should on. So here the broadcast will be fan on. Okay. So we'll go to event block and take when this sprite click, take broadcast, new message, that is fan on. Okay. If we will get the broadcast fan on, so we'll go to fan. And when we receive this message fan on, what should happen? We'll take when I receive fan on. In this, the program will ask one question to you, that is which speed of fan you require. So we'll go to sensing block and take ask. We'll type which number question, and here 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, which number you want. According to that, the fan speed will decide. Okay, and now we'll go to regulator. And here, according to the answer, how the costume will change, will decide it. So again, here also, we'll go to event block and take when I receive fan on. Next, go to control, take forever loop, and here we'll take if and else block. if the answer will be equal to 1. So we'll go to the operator block and take equal 1. Here sensing take answer, whatever the answer we receive from the user. Here if the answer is 1, then it costume will switch to 1. Okay, so we'll take switch costume and put it over here. The value would be 1. Else if the answer is not 1, then what would happen? So we will take one more if block and put over here. Else if the answer is 2, then take this block, make it duplicate, put it over here. If the answer is 2, then take this block, make it duplicate, put it over here. The costume would be 2. Okay, and then else again if answer is neither 1 nor 2, then what would happen? Again if and else, and here make it duplicate this block, put it over here, this one also, and put it over here. So if the answer is 3, then the costume would be 3. And if the answer would be 4 or any other number it will type, then the costume would be 4. So this is the very simple coding. If the answer would be 1, the costume would be 1. If the answer is 2, the costume would be 2. If the costume would be 3, else the costume would be 4. So according to that, it will work. Like for example, I'll just click on the green flag, and if I just click on switch on, so it asks one question, which number you want to type. Like I will type 3 over here, and if I'll click on this right button, automatically the costume of this regulator will be changed and this mark will be shown at 3 number, right? Do you want to see? See, the costume will be switched to the 3. Great. Okay, now we'll go back to fan, and here we'll set its speed. To set the speed, we'll take if and else block, and first we'll start from the answer 3, because as I'm going to set the value of fan speed, if we'll press 4 or any other number, the fan speed will be full, and if we'll set either 1 or 2 or 3, on the basis of that fan speed will get vary. Okay, so first we'll set if the answer would be 3. We'll take equal from operator, answer will put over here, and if the answer would be 3, then the costume should change continuously, right? So that would be forever. So we'll take forever over here and go to loop block and take next costume. Means continuously its costume should change, but here the costume changing time should be very low, right? So it's changed fast and it look like the fan is running. For that we'll go to control block and take wait block. Okay, and here the wait should be very less. Here I will type so many zeros, like 0.00000 approximate 50 times I will type like this much and 1. Isn't so funny? Yes. Okay, so this is my speed 3. So what should be the speed for 4? There is no wait. It means its costume change continuously, okay, without any wait. Next is else condition, where we are going to set answer would be 2. So I will duplicate this block and I will paste it over here. And here also if the answer would be 2. Okay, so the speed should be less, right? So I will delete this all value and here I will put 0.0000000 approximate 15 times I will put, and here I will put the value 3. Okay, great. And again I will take this full block, make it duplicate and put it over here. Our last if and else. If the answer would be 1, then what should happen? Its speed should be slow, right? So I'll remove all the zeros between decimal and 3. Okay, and else if will not type 1, 2 or 3, if I'll press 4 or any other number, the fan speed should be full. So what should happen? Directly forever and next costume. It would change continuously, right? Isn't so easy peasy? Definitely. At the beginner level, this project is really interesting for you. Now, only one coding is left. We'll go to switch off, because how the fan will off? We'll go to switch off block and take event block, and here I'm going to create one more broadcast when this sprite click. So we'll take when this sprite click, broadcast, new message, that is fan off. Okay, now go to fan. Here when we receive this broadcast, receive fan off, what should happen? Stop all. Go to control, take stop all. That's it. Do you want to run your fan and control its speed? So let's go to big screen. Okay, I just click on green flag again. Now see the effect. First, I'll just click on fan on. Now I'll press 1. Click on right button. Okay, you can see our fan is running, but the speed is very low. And you can see the regulator costume is also changed, right? Now again you want to try. Okay, again I'm going to click on and here I will press 2. Oh, fan speed is increasing, right? Now again I just click on and here I will press 3. Okay. Oh, speed is also improving, right? Great. And now I'll press 4. Okay, the fastest speed of fan. Oh wow, see, our fan is running so fast, right? Do you want to make it stop? Click on off button. So our project is working great. You also try this and tell me if it's worked for you. I'm waiting for your comment. I hope you like and understand this video. We are also providing online classes on Scratch and robotics. You can visit our website and contact us. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.